hope you're having a great day. I'm Chris. This is Kelly. And if you ever get in a crash, you call a tow truck.
Okay, thanks.
I'm going to say bye at the end.
Okay, thanks. Sorry about that, guys. Dinner started beeping right as I hit play. I'm Kelly Snodgrass, and as of yesterday with my promotion, I'm the Senior Vice President and Director of Property and Casualty Division at RS Financial Group. And wellness and education are both very important to me. So every Wednesday, I either post a question concerning a financial or insurance topic to spur conversation with you and your family, or just to have you look up documents and see, do you have that coverage, or is it something you need to maybe look into further? And then the following week, I will follow it up with a video discussing that topic. So last week, I posted, do you carry enough uninsured motorist coverage? And this week I want to answer that. I want to use just simple, the state minimum here in Memphis is 25, 50, 15. And what that means is $25,000 bodily injury per person, and with a limit of 50,000 bodily injury per accident, and then 15,000 for property damage. And how that, so typically your liability limits mirror your uninsured limits. So those, usually you can find out if uninsured motorist is required in your state and you have it, it's usually going to be the same as your other limits. And where this might cause a problem for some people is, like we mentioned, we'll start with the easy one, the property damage. It is 15,000 is the limit for state minimum coverage here in Tennessee. And if you have a vehicle that's $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 to replace, then you might have a real problem. So we're just going to use easy math. $30,000 is how much your car is worth, and you have an accident with a hit and run driver. So your uninsured motorist is going to be what takes care of your vehicle, you and your passengers' injuries. So 30,000, 15,000 your limit. So you're out $15,000 for your vehicle. And easy math, we're going to say each person had $15,000 in injuries. And several years ago, I had an accident. A car drove into my door, and I had broken ribs and a dislocated jaw. So nothing really major. And I saw the chiropractor for adjustments. And then I also was taped and to help the ribs heal. And then the emergency room visit. And I think mine was just under 10,000 maybe for something very minor. I did not ride in the ambulance. My sister was sweet enough to take me to the hospital and sit with me until 6:30 in the morning. So that cut that expense out. So back on topic here, we've got mom, dad, they have 2 kids, and then each kid has a friend in the vehicle. So you've got 6 people in your vehicle, and each of you has $15,000 worth of medical bills. And that doesn't mean necessarily that day, but that's going to be if you have to have any follow-up treatment, anything like that. So 15,000 times 6, 6 people is going to be $90,000 in bodily injury. And as you remember up above, you have a limit of $50,000 per accident for bodily injury. So you 90,000 minus 50,000 is $40,000 you're still going to owe. So 40,000 in bodily injury and 15,000 for the property damage. So you are out $55,000 for a wreck that you did not even cause. And a lot of people think, well, no big deal on injuries because I have health insurance. So my health insurance is going to take care of that. Well, health insurance does not actually cover accidents. So if you have a car wreck, which I found this out too, prior to my being licensed, I found this out in my accident, that your health insurance does not actually cover your injuries. So that's going to all be covered by your auto insurance. Food for thought. So pull out your limits. Think about, or pull out your declaration page, look and see how much uninsured motorist you have, and think about how much your vehicle costs. And oh, thanks, Margie. I'm so glad you do. I love helping people make sure they're covered properly. So if anybody's needs to discuss this with me, if you have any questions, if you wonder, you know, are you covered properly, give me a call and I would love to discuss it with you. My contact information will be in the message. I'm sorry for all the commotion. I have friends coming over for dinner and to get this video done before they got here. So I hope you all have a great Wednesday evening. I'm excited to go eat some delicious dinner, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks for watching.